Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present some conversations. Conversation 1. My living room.
Hi Panna, how are you today?
Hi Sosheta, I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. May I ask you some questions?
Yes, of course.
What's your favorite room? Why?
My favorite room is living room because it's the only one place in the house that we can meet, relax, and discuss together.
What are there in your living room?
There are a lot of things in my living room such as 2 sofas, 2 armchairs, 2 lamps, a table, a vase, a teapot, some glasses, some flowers, a TV, an air conditioner, some CDs, some pictures, some photos, some books, some magazines, some newspapers, a fridge and an aquarium.
Thank you so much. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too, bye.
Conversation 2, my bedroom.
Hi Kana, how are you today?
Hi Bora, I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. May I ask you some questions?
Why not?
What's your favorite room? Why?
My favorite room is bedroom because it's my own room. I can relax, do homework, listen to music and watch TV.
What are there in your bedroom?
There are a lot of things in my bedroom such as a bed, a mat, a blanket, 2 pillows, a mosquito net, 2 lamps, an alarm clock, a curtain, a towel, a TV, some CDs, some books, some pens, a ruler, some bags, some clothes, some shoes, some socks, some photos, some pictures, a closet, a mirror, a comb, a brush, a fan, a carpet, a door and a window.
Thank you so much. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too. Bye.
Conversation 3. My kitchen.
Hi Vanna, how are you today?
Hi David, I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. May I ask you some questions?
Sure.
What's your favorite room? Why?
My favorite room is kitchen because it's a funny place in my house. I can help my mom cook and I can eat food there also.
What are there in your kitchen?
There are a lot of things in my kitchen such as some dishes, some chopsticks, some pans, some chairs, a big table, 2 lamps, a fridge, some cookers, some vegetables, some fruit, some groceries, some salt, some meat, some spoons, some forks, some knives, some cheese, some bowls, 2 fans, some glasses, some frying pans, and some plates.
Thank you so much. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too. Bye. Conversation 4, my bathroom. Hi Peter, how are you today?
Hi Soshi, I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. May I ask you some questions?
Certainly.
What's your favorite room? Why?
My favorite room is bathroom because I can have a shower or I can take a bath there. I can wash my clothes or I go to the toilet also.
What are there in your bathroom?
There are a lot of things in my bathroom such as a mirror, a bath, a shower, a toilet, a towel, some soap, some shampoo, some toothpaste, some toothbrushes, some toilet paper, a bucket, a sink, some combs, some brushes, a hair dryer, a bar soap, some liquid soap, some bathrobes, some slippers, some clothes, some shower gel, a hair flattener, and a plunger.
Thank you so much. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too. Bye.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.